With the release of the new Apple Watch S11, it's expected to attract a wave of new and unfamiliar buyers. Today, let's take a closer look at how to choose a watch face and the differences between it and last year's S10 and older models. Let's unbox this watch first. I bought the S11, what's it called? It's in titanium slate color. The strap is a Nike blue one. Let's unbox it and take a look. This watch has a protective film and a watch face. Nothing else is covered here. Let's not unbox this watch yet. Let's first take a look at the S10. No, S11. I haven't even gotten over the S10 yet. Okay, let's zoom in. The S11 this year also comes in 42mm and 46mm sizes. How come I bought the 46mm Slate Titanium one? Okay, here I am. The S11, S10, and the Ultra 2. Let's put the Ultra 2 aside for now and take a look at the differences on the back. The one on the left is S11, 46mm. Let's take a look at the strap and try it. Let's try this new strap because it is marked 46mm. Put it on the S11, it fits perfectly, right? It's normal to have a little bit of a dent. It's normal for the mold to be a little different. There is no difference. This is the S10, 46mm. It can also be used interchangeably because they are both 46mm. Then let's take a look at the Ultra 2nd generation. There is no difference either. It can be worn. The two sides are a little smaller, which is normal. They are both interchangeable. Then let's take a look at the S8, 45mm. It can also be used without any problems. So the conclusion is that 44, 45, 46, and 49mm are all interchangeable. Next, let's take a pair of glasses. This is a pair of glasses I DIY'd. It uses the original titanium connector. Let's try it first. Can the S11 be used? You see, it can be used, no problem. Although the Alpine strap are marked as 49mm, they can also be used in sizes 46, 44, 45, and 49. Look, this is the S10 46, and this is the S10 49, okay, right? So they're all compatible. The conclusion is the large dials of 44, 45, 46, and 49 are all compatible. Next, let's talk about the small dials. As for the small dials, I have two, a 38mm and a 42mm on the S10. The dials haven't changed this year, so I didn't buy the 42mm S11. Next, let's take a look at this, our most powerful flatland Milanese. Let's start with the 42mm. It fits perfectly. The official gold Milanese is also a perfect fit when placed on the 42mm, but when placed on the 38mm, you might notice a slight increase. If you can tolerate that, it's still acceptable. It's a little extra, but it's usable. Next, I'm showing you the 38mm, 40mm, and 41mm watch bands. You see, when you put it on the 38mm, it won't be that much extra. Then let's put this band on the S10 42mm. It's a little smaller on both sides because the curvatures are different. You see, with the Milanese on top, it looks different. It fits perfectly, right? But the 38mm will have this problem. So, to summarize, the 38mm, 40mm, and 41mm subdials are interchangeable. If you can accept the 42mm, then the 42mm subdials are also interchangeable. There's no problem at all. As long as you can tolerate the smaller size on both sides, it's fine. If you're more demanding, then the 38mm, 40mm, and 41mm subdials are interchangeable. They all fit perfectly. For the new 42mm S10 and S11, you should buy the special model specifically for them. See, 42mm is our strongest flat top model. Milanese also has special modes for the 38, 40, and 41mm models. They're all perfect, you see? It just depends on your requirements. Just follow the dial and you'll have no problem. No matter where you shoot, always choose based on the dial. Don't rely on anything else. It's always the right choice. Okay, at the end of the video, let me show you the new S11 in Slate Titanium with this blue Nike loop strap. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, you can leave a message in the comments or on the screen, and I will reply to you one by one. Okay, that's all for today's video. Okay, goodbye.